I need to attend a global conference call. I need to attend a global conference call. Can you share the latest project updates? Can you share the latest project updates? We need to align with the global team. We need to align with the global team. How are we tracking against our KPIs? How are we tracking against our KPIs? I have a meeting with the client tomorrow. I have a meeting with the client tomorrow. Can you send me the latest performance report? Can you send me the latest performance report? We need to escalate this issue to the senior management. We need to escalate this issue to the senior management. Can you provide a status update on the deliverables? Can you provide a status update on the deliverables? I'll be working on the quarterly business review. I'll be working on the quarterly business review. We need to sync up with the headquarters. We need to sync up with the headquarters. Can you help with the data analysis? Can you help with the data analysis? I'm working on the new product launch. I'm working on the new product launch. Can you update the project timeline? Can you update the project timeline? We need to review the compliance guidelines. We need to review the compliance guidelines. How do we handle this customer complaint? How do we handle this customer complaint? Can you assist with the market research? Can you assist with the market research? I need to prepare a presentation for the board meeting. I need to prepare a presentation for the board meeting. Let's schedule a call to discuss the project scope. Let's schedule a call to discuss the project scope. Can you provide insights on the latest trends? Can you provide insights on the latest trends? We need to improve our service delivery. We need to improve our service delivery. Can you help with the process optimization? Can you help with the process optimization? I'm working on the budget forecast. I'm working on the budget forecast. Let's prioritize the critical tasks. Let's prioritize the critical tasks. Can you share the client feedback? Can you share the client feedback? We need to update the risk management plan. We need to update the risk management plan. Can you coordinate with the finance team? Can you coordinate with the finance team? I'm finalizing the strategic plan for next year. I'm finalizing the strategic plan for next year. Can you review the project charter? Can you review the project charter? We need to streamline our operations. We need to streamline our operations. Can you send the revised project plan? Can you send the revised project plan? I'm working on the talent development program. I'm working on the talent development program. Can you provide the latest market insights? Can you provide the latest market insights? We need to ensure data security compliance. We need to ensure data security compliance. Can you help with the vendor management? Can you help with the vendor management? I'm preparing the monthly performance report. I'm preparing the monthly performance report. Let's review the project milestones. Let's review the project milestones. Can you assist with the audit preparation? Can you assist with the audit preparation? We need to enhance our digital capabilities. We need to enhance our digital capabilities. Can you update the stakeholder engagement plan? Can you update the stakeholder engagement plan? I'm working on the customer satisfaction survey. I'm working on the customer satisfaction survey. Can you share the project risk assessment? Can you share the project risk assessment? We need to focus on continuous improvement. We need to focus on continuous improvement. Can you coordinate the training sessions? Can you coordinate the training sessions? I'm analyzing the financial performance. I'm analyzing the financial performance. Let's discuss the innovation initiatives. Let's discuss the innovation initiatives. Can you provide the competitive analysis? Can you provide the competitive analysis? We need to enhance our knowledge management. We need to enhance our knowledge management. Can you update the action items from the meeting? Can you update the action items from the meeting? I'm working on the employee engagement activities. I'm working on the employee engagement activities. Can you help with the business continuity planning? Can you help with the business continuity planning? Let's align our objectives with the global strategy. Let's align our objectives with the global strategy. Can you share the latest compliance report? Can you share the latest compliance report? We need to focus on customer experience improvement. We need to focus on customer experience improvement. Can you assist with the change management process? Can you assist with the change management process? I'm preparing the operational excellence plan. I'm preparing the operational excellence plan. Let's review the project budget. Let's review the project budget. Can you provide the sales performance data? Can you provide the sales performance data? We need to enhance our collaboration tools. We need to enhance our collaboration tools. Can you help with the regulatory compliance? Can you help with the regulatory compliance? I'm working on the process documentation. I'm working on the process documentation. Can you share the client success stories? Can you share the client success stories? We need to improve our communication strategies. We need to improve our communication strategies. Can you update the project status dashboard? Can you update the project status dashboard? I'm analyzing the project performance metrics. I'm analyzing the project performance metrics. Let's discuss the resource allocation. Let's discuss the resource allocation. Can you assist with the talent acquisition process? Can you assist with the talent acquisition process? We need to ensure alignment with global standards. We need to ensure alignment with global standards. Can you provide the customer segmentation analysis? Can you provide the customer segmentation analysis? I'm working on the strategic initiatives report. I'm working on the strategic initiatives report. Let's prioritize the key deliverables. Let's prioritize the key deliverables. Can you update the workflow processes? Can you update the workflow processes? We need to enhance our operational efficiency. We need to enhance our operational efficiency. Can you help with the product development? Can you help with the product development? I'm preparing the market entry strategy. I'm preparing the market entry strategy. Can you share the project best practices? Can you share the project best practices? We need to focus on risk mitigation. We need to focus on risk mitigation. Can you provide the cost-benefit analysis? Can you provide the cost-benefit analysis? I'm working on the digital transformation roadmap. I'm working on the digital transformation roadmap. Let's review the project dependencies. Let's review the project dependencies. Can you assist with the system integration? Can you assist with the system integration? We need to improve our time to market. We need to improve our time to market. Can you update the project documentation? Can you update the project documentation? I'm analyzing the customer feedback. I'm analyzing the customer feedback. Let's discuss the performance improvement plan. Let's discuss the performance improvement plan. Can you help with the global talent management? Can you help with the global talent management? We need to enhance our innovation culture. We need to enhance our innovation culture. Can you provide the industry benchmarking data? Can you provide the industry benchmarking data? I'm working on the project governance framework. I'm working on the project governance framework. Let's review the service level agreements. Let's review the service level agreements. Can you assist with the technology adoption? Can you assist with the technology adoption? We need to focus on sustainable growth. We need to focus on sustainable growth. Can you share the operational risk assessment? Can you share the operational risk assessment? I'm preparing the stakeholder communication plan. I'm preparing the stakeholder communication plan. Let's prioritize the strategic goals. Let's prioritize the strategic goals. Can you update the resource management plan? Can you update the resource management plan? We need to enhance our customer value proposition. We need to enhance our customer value proposition. Can you help with the knowledge transfer process? Can you help with the knowledge transfer process? I'm working on the employee development plan. I'm working on the employee development plan. Let's review the business impact analysis. Let's review the business impact analysis. Can you provide the project closure report? Can you provide the project closure report?